Morning children, this is Jyotia. I am here to teach you English on behalf of Jyoti Academy class 3rd. Chapter 1, Mohsin gets an A. Children, yesterday we finished the exercise of this chapter and today we will solve the remaining exercise. Let's start. Mohsin needed chart paper, some colors and glue to complete his science project. All of these items together are known as stationery. Children's chart paper, colors, glue, pen, pencil, notebook, book, whatever we need for study or office work, we call these items together stationery. Okay, all of these items together we known as stationery. Now time to solve the exercise. Here are a few items used by different kind of pupil. Give one word for each group of item. Choose your answer from the box. First is the carpenter needs hammer, nail, saw and chisel. These are called his. What we will fill there? Tools. Tools. Children's, the carpenter whatever have like hammer, nail, saw, etc. we call it tools. So we will fill there TOOLS, tools. Next is the cook uses pots, pans and dishes. These are called blank. What we will fill there? Utensils. Okay, utensils. UTENSILS. We will fill there utensils. Next is the musician uses drums, piano, guitar and flute. These are called musical. Children's, we saw the drums, piano, guitar and flute in our school music rooms. In our school's music rooms. So, what we call these items? Children's, we called it musical instruments. Okay? Drums, piano, guitar, flute and whatever we use for the music. These are called musical instruments. So we will fill their instruments. 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 Next is when playing sports, player need football, cricket, bat, racket and skates. These are called sports blank. Children, we called it equipment. Okay. These are called sports equipments. So we will fill there EQUIPMENTS. Equipments. Next is the tailor needs scissor, needles, thread and a measuring tape. Together they make up his blanket. What we will fill there? Swing. We will fill there swing. SEWING. Swing. Okay? Children's, next is we can make abstract noun by adding the letter NESS at the end of some words. For example, kind plus ness equal to kindness, ill plus ness equal to illness. Okay? Sometimes we have to change the spelling when adding ness. Like happy plus ness equal to happiness. Children, in this spelling Y is replaced by I. Okay? So it becomes happiness. Salt plus ness equal to saltiness. When we write the saltiness, we will write SALTINESS. Okay, saltiness. Now time to solve the exercise. Add ness to these words to form abstract noun. Be careful with the spelling. Childrens, yesterday I told you about the abstract noun, the name of feeling and qualities that we can describe but cannot see or touch are called abstract noun. Okay? Feelings are abstract noun. So, children's feelings and qualities that we can describe but cannot see or touch are called abstract noun. First is dark. When we add ness, it becomes darkness. Okay? DARKNESS, darkness. Next is lazy. When we add ness in lazy, it becomes laziness. LAZINESS, laziness. Next is tidy. TIDY. When we add ness in this, it becomes tidiness. TIDINESS. Next is bright. When we add ness in the bright, it becomes brightness. BRIGHTNESS, brightness. Next is good. When we add ness in the good, it becomes goodness. Next is holy. When we add ness in the holy, it becomes holiness. HOLLINESS, holiness. Next is sleepy. When we add ness in the sleepy, it becomes sleepiness. SLEEPINESS, sleepiness. Next is cold. Childrens, when we add ness in the cold, it becomes coldness. Okay? COLDNESS, coldness. This is all about today, and remaining exercise we will solve tomorrow. Thank you.